See if I can find it here. There we go. Like I said, very low mileage. AC works. So let me take you for a test drive. This is how you're wondering how this car looks on donuts. I actually spray painted the fronts black. I didn't have time to take off the back ones and spray them. You see they're pretty rusted out. Pretty rusted out. You see the rust on the back fender well right here, or the back fender. Overall, a good running car for $1,000. It's a 94 OBD1. Stock. Basically all factory stock. How I like my cars. Or at least how I like my daily. Automatic. For the win. Very clean interior. And I went and bought some rotors and some bearings, but I don't know if I'll be needing them. See if it makes any sound from this side anymore. Also, I just want to point out that ever since I bought this car, it gave me issue after issue after issue. Like at first, just little things here and there that just kept, after I fixed an issue, just give me another issue to fix. And I really thought this car was cursed, so I didn't really like how this car kept giving me issue after issue. And now I feel like I done fixed all the issues. Hopefully it doesn't give me any more, you know.